Welcome everyone watching the YouTube channel Satisfying Gardening. Lycopene Kaivinudi na QVF. Today the sky is cloudy, it's about to rain. Old, yellowing papaya leaves need to be trimmed. Raindrops do not affect the papaya tree. If it rains for half a month but it doesn't, it's not that bad. But this period, papaya begins to bear small fruit. That's right now, papaya's price is also low. With the amount of fruit above, I hope the results are good. I'm also happy for my farmers for different stages of plant development. If you want to know more, I'll share that clip. Apply 30% chemical fertilizer to create trace minerals for plants, and 70% organic fertilizer helps microorganisms under the soil surface have nutrients. You can use locally available cow, goat, and pig manure to fertilize plants, making the soil loose. Helps plants stay healthy and bear more fruit. Be careful not to clean the grass. Grass helps retain moisture and makes the soil aerated and aerated. Stimulates plants to grow and bloom quickly. Quality and beautiful fruit. Before, it was green and had flowers and small fruit. But now it is growing steadily larger fruit. See if you like it or not. There are a lot of small fruits. If you are preparing for the rainy season, you should reinforce the tree enough to prevent it from falling due to wind and storms. When it's sunny, people should regularly check the papaya tree to see if it has red spider mites. Spider red sex tree sap, greatly affecting fruit production. Pesticides organic, disease prevention and treatment, from planting to harvest. The flowering and fruiting stages are extremely important. Always monitor and care for plant growth in the best possible way. Everyone, let's take a look around the garden. If the price of papaya at the garden reaches 10s per kilogram, it is called satisfactory. Everyone observed yellow leaf disease when red spiders attacked. I have to protect the leaves and stems of the papaya so it doesn't get hurt. How to recognize red spider disease is very easy. Taller the papaya tree grows, the more fruit it produces, and the higher the yield. If you are also growing papaya trees, please look closely at the image. If you must use pesticides, you should choose organic pesticides. The quality of your fruit is very safe, in accordance with international standards. KUDLA mat lay tried kane hitggi fea chibin va ingon mine. Ban KNHCO. KUD con kem lay nielu ich cho CF hikha mat KUDCO kich nick trung ban. LA mat ingden cho a neo vitamin conch. Jam oxy have a CSH dindi jiang landman cook. The triudi chin sekang CCP co 120 kolo. Ticum 30 grams carbohydrate, trunco, 5 grams bao GGM to exva 18 grams GGang. Chuko 2 grams protein ud choa neo vitamin, chung hin folate. Vitamin of magia, mingva axit pantothenic kun CAC HPP vitamin nam B. Bao GGM CAC SDC T keratin, lutein va zeaxanthin, tocoferol, lycopene và vitamin K ngôi ra. Udikan rekja kang si bakali. This is the flower we usually call the male flower. The male flower is here and the female flower is here for pollination. See the small fruit set? Unfortunately, these fruits are still small, not yet big and ripe for you to see. I just briefly introduce it for you to take a look at. Thank you for watching video. Wish you and your family good health. Always happy, smooth work. Always happy. Remember to like and follow and comment. Share the video for many people to know to help me. Equals greater than remember to turn on the notification bell. To see our feedback and our latest videos,